Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be looking at a door latch that's stuck. I was called that the door wasn't closing, and today we're going to see how we can go about fixing it. This is a 2017 Yukon Denali, and it's actually both doors. Here's the latch right there. That one's also stuck. Okay, so whenever you try to close it, it doesn't want to close. All right, so this one is a pretty easy one. So all you got to do is grab either a screwdriver or something that's it could really be anything that's like steel, and all you got to do, pull here, because they've tried a lot of ways. They tried opening it. If you press that, it still will not open. As you can see, the latch is there. It won't budge. So what you got to do is you pull here, and at the same time that you pull, you're going to put something in there and it will come open. Okay, so we're going to try that. All right, so we're going to pull here, and we're gonna put in the screwdriver. Okay, I just got this screwdriver that I had laying around, and we're gonna put it in here. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna pull it. See how easy that was, guys? Now it'll close. Now let's try this one in the back. So right now it don't close because it's locked. Okay, it won't close, but if you pull the handle on my left side over here, record it up here. You pull that, you hold it, then you put the driver in there, and it'll come undone, and it'll close just like that, ladies and gentlemen.